The dials are in the parameters and properties palette, which is here. And to switch between the properties and parameters palette, simply click on the tabs at the top of the palette. And if for some reason this parameters property palette is not in your workspace when you start up Poser, just simply click on any part of any model, double click on it rather, and the window will appear. We have the editing tools, we have the dials, and an even more accurate way of manipulating the figure is by using the graph. And I'm going to Window, Graph, and that opens the Graph tool. And you'll see here that we have the waist indicated, and we have in this drop-down menu all the parameters of the waist. So right now we have selected the side-to-side movement, and by clicking on any part of this red line, you'll notice that when we click, the cursor becomes a double arrow, and after we click, a little black mark appears on the red line. These black marks are called keyframes, and the keyframes tell us what the position is. It sort of holds the position of the model at a particular point in time.